Hey Eric, it's John. Wanted to do a quick video here on how to edit the website. As I mentioned, working on about a dozen videos, everything from our text messaging program, how to edit the menus, specials, promotions, and all that stuff. But I did want to get this video over to you so you can make some edits if you like. I'm going to send you over the link with your login, but for any WordPress website, you go to the web address /wp-login. Your email is your login. I've sent you a password, which of course you can change. Don't make it too easy though. With these WordPress sites, you do want to have a good password. Once you've logged in, if you do want to change your password, just come over here to where it says users and click on all, and you'll see your profile right there. There's a lot of stuff back here, and down the road we're going to have more of a custom back office for our clients. But right now you're looking at the generic WordPress back office. So a lot of stuff, but all you need to know is to edit your pages, go to Pages, and you click on All Pages. You're going to see all your pages here. Alternatively, at any point in time, a little shortcut is to just reload the site, and it's going to load in edit mode. So it allows you to hop around the pages, and then when you want to edit a page, you can go right to Edit with Elementor. Elementor is the builder that we use. And with that said, I just want to show you, if you do come in the other way, when you see your pages, all right, coming over to Home, Edit with Elementor. We use Elementor. I have about 100 websites built on a different platform that has less flexibility. With Elementor and WordPress, we have, as you know, probably, we have thousands of plugins we can use and widgets, and we could just do a lot more, but it gives us this editor where pretty much wherever you tap, it's going to appear on the left and you can make a change. So I found this to be very user-friendly for the customer, for my clients. But it has a whole boatload of stuff for us to use developer end to make great looking websites. So pretty excited with the way this is heading. So I'm just going to talk about two pieces here. One, how to edit the specials, and then I'm just going to show you how to make an edit over on the menu. So this will be about a 5-minute video. Now, I know that it's your dad who's going to be doing the specials, so we might need to tweak this to make it a little bit easier. So right now I'm just going to put in some dummy info so you can see how this works. As I mentioned, pretty much wherever I tap, it's going to show up on the left, right? If for some reason it doesn't, my default is to go here, right click, and edit intersection. So again, you're going to either click on exactly what you want to edit and it's going to show up on the left, or sometimes, especially when it comes to pictures, you're going to right click and edit intersection. Okay? Once you do this a handful of times, it's very simple. And if you make a mistake, you're able to come down here to history. I haven't made a revision yet today, so there's nothing showing. But you click on the most recent revision and you can just take a step back. So don't worry about messing anything up on the website. So I'm going to come over here and just do some quick edits. We can decide what we want to do with this column. see how easy this is to edit. Where it gets a little trickier is if you delete something, then you have to find a way to add it back in. Unless you do that by mistake, I don't see it being a problem. Um, Again, you can tell me how you'd like to utilize this space. I can recreate it in a different way if you'd like. To swap out the pictures, right? And actually, I left clicked here. You can left click or right click. And then you go to Style. There's only 3 options here. So if you get confused, just click on them until you see that picture, right? All the other stuff, don't worry about. So if I just want to swap out my picture, have a different breakfast special that day. Okay. Different lunch special. I don't have many lunch options here. I'm just going to leave that one in there for now. All of this, again, same thing. For the most part, wherever I tap is going to show up on the left. And when I make my change, I just come down here and I click on Update. Now these have been updated. And I got to tell you, I don't think it's that bad of an idea to have no specials today. It's pretty simple. That's what I might suggest doing. And if you want specials, just add them. Again, wherever I tap, it's going to show up on the left. Now in this example, just by tapping on the picture, I'm getting it on the left. This is just a gallery. I can edit my gallery by clicking here. Add to gallery. Testimonials, same thing. Make my change. Click Save. That little pencil icon for some of the trickier widgets in here, like the maps, that's where you're going to click. Okay. So pretty straightforward on the specials. I just wanted to show you how that worked. And again, if you make a mistake, you can come over here to History, and you can back up. Okay, I could go right back to the beginning of today if I wanted to, right? Does it on a daily basis. So that's how to edit the specials piece. Now, I wanted to show you how to edit the menu itself. I have 3 to 4 different widgets we have for menus. Yours that we used here is this restaurant menu. So I'm just going to click on Menu. And you're going to see your categories. So let's say I wanted to go in and change pricing on my burgers. I'm just going to click on Edit. Oh, let me back up for a second. I would actually go to Categories. It's a tiered system, so when I click on Menu, I'm having the navigation pieces. Right? My categories will have my items in them. So if I want to come over to burgers, I'm going to click on Manage Menu Items. It is in here where I can change my price and click Save. I can add more if I wanted to add a new item. Just be mindful to try to keep the fonts the same, like we normally do caps on all the names of the items, lowercase on the descriptions. We have the ability to add an image, of course. If you do that, I suggest doing it for every item on the menu for consistency. Once you've made your changes, click Save. It's really that simple. So just to recap, for editing pages on my website, I'm coming in here, going to All Pages, at which point I'll see all my pages. I can click on Edit with Elementor. Restaurant menu is where I go for my actual menu. And then I would go to Categories, choose my item. So if it's under Wraps, choose my category, and then manage the items. Click Save. I think that's all I really wanted to cover today in this video, so I hope this helps. And just let me know how you want to handle the specials. Maybe we can create it a little different. There are some ways to hide it and show it as well. And I think that's about it. So I'll get this over to you, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.